어? 너 그새 이렇게 큰 거야? 아니 한 달 새 그새 이렇게 컸어?
Hello Arohas all around the world. Subscribe to get updated.
We're Universe.
Subway has a new model and netizens are not disappointed. On June 29th, a teaser image for the next Subway was posted on the chain sandwich fast food restaurant's official Instagram. The photo showed a male celebrity holding a Subway sandwich and covering his eyes, with question marks around the model and a caption bringing attention to the new Subway model to be announced on July 3. The post had people excited. Netizens commented on the post with their guesses, but most comments already knew it was Astro's Cha Eunwoo, along with a new campaign adding the phrase "feel good" at the end of "eat fresh." Subway definitely made Cha Eunwoo's fans feel good by bringing him in as the new model. On July 3rd, Subway released 2 commercials featuring Cha Eunwoo. Having a stunning Cha Eunwoo make you a sandwich in the middle of nature seems highly unlikely. Many netizens expressed their love for the singer with hearts in their eyes. Another commercial showed Cha Eunwoo promoting the new shrimp series, emphasizing its bigger-sized shrimps. He looked into the camera as if he were talking to the audience, but he was talking to the shrimp about how big they got in 1 month.
어? 너 그새 이렇게 큰 거야? 아니 한 달 새 그새 이렇게 컸어? 와 그새 엄청 컸네.
그새우 많이 컸다. 탱글탱글 씹는 맛도 크게, 기분 좋은 신선함도 크게. 더 커진 새우로 돌아온 뉴 슈림프 시리즈.
잘 자라줘서 고마워.
요즘 대새우 서브웨이 뉴 슈림프 시리즈. 서브웨이.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for latest updates.